Hey everyone, this is your host Manik. Welcome to another video. So the day I purchased a Redmi device, I knew what I was getting myself into. Ads, and a lot of ads. Plus bloatware free of cost with the device. Though I really liked the overall hardware, and the software experience was rather the opposite of it. So here's what you can do to disable or stop most of the ads and remove the bloatware from your Xiaomi devices. So follow this guide and you will end up with an experience that looks more or less like this. So before we start, if you wish to stay notified about the latest videos, do click on that subscribe button and press the bell icon next to it. It's free and helps the channel out. So basically through this way, you can get more or less an ad-free sort of experience. There are other ways too, like flashing a room, but there isn't one for this device right now. So my device here is all set, as I'm using it right now. And this is what the overall experience will be for you. So I will format my device so that we all can be on the same page. So formatting the device quickly, and here we have it. My device is now formatted and I'm starting the setup process. So one thing you have to keep in mind right from the start is that you have to try not to give MIUI any extra permission or personalization option, even if it is for the wallpapers, because in these tiny options, they hide their magical ads. So Xiaomi has used their Facemoji keyboard instead of Google keyboard as default, and it collects some info in the background as well. So we will get to that in a bit. Now proceed further and in additional settings, turn off user experience program and personalize ads option. After that, this Gets Up will ask you to spam your device and just untick all the apps, especially Chinese malware. So now we are in MIUI 11 and first of all, select all the unnecessary apps that are pre-installed. Pinch to zoom out and select all these and just drag them in the bin on the top left corner and they will be uninstalled in a second. So first of all, this spam browser that give a ton of crappy ads when you swipe from bottom to top. At first there was Google Assistant here, but MIUI replaces it with this crap. No worries, we can disable it easily. Just long press on home and click on more. So first of all, choose what screen you want as your -1 screen. I would suggest you to use Google Feed or none. Now just below that, disable swipe up to open search. And now you can go back and see that the major crappy app has been disabled. You don't see any ads when you swipe up from bottom to top, and that's a good thing. Now the next thing would be to force stop the browser and turn off all the notifications and disable the mobile data access. So deny all permissions to it and it won't bother you again. Now this get app shortcut spams every device with notifications and consumes the data in background. Now long press on the get app shortcut, click on app info and force stop it. Now clear all the data and disable the permissions and notifications as shown. Next we have the gallery app and Mi Video app. So whenever you play a video in the gallery, then a ton of video recommendations start to come. Now to disable this crap, you can go to Mi Video, click on settings and turn off video recommendations and notifications. And after that you can play a video to test it out. And you can see now, there are no annoying ads in the gallery. So that's great. Now just disable the notifications by long pressing on the Mi Video app, restrict the data usage and disable the notifications too. So as you can see, most of the notifications are now disabled from the device. And you have so clean interface with less bloatware. Just don't disable these features in future and deny if any app asks for any special permission. And trust me guys, you will be good to go. So that was it. This was the full and easier way to disable all the bloatware in MIUI 11 on any Redmi device. So like this video if you found it helpful and subscribe if you haven't already. And I'll see you guys in the next one.